Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me da 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 da.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna make these little centerpiece stands from the Dollar Tree. Okay. So we got this. Well, this is from Dollar General. It's $3, and I got 2 bags of $1 balloons from from Walmart. So this was $3 and the 2 bags of $1 balloons, and I got the centerpiece poles, which are gonna be a mop stick and styrofoam, all from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar General, so it's gonna be less than, let's see, $3, $1.50, 4, 5, 6. So each centerpiece ended up costing like $6. Okay, so I'm gonna blow this up. And this is gonna be my first time making it. So this is the instructions. Oh, let's see. Airfill only. Insert straw into balloon opening. Blow into straw to inflate balloon. Remove straw. Balloon is self-sealing. Thread twine through holes for hanging as shown on front of package. Okay, so it's like a string. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. You probably can't see it, but there's like a string holding those together. All right, so we're gonna try this. I don't know if it was supposed to come with the string. Oh yeah, it did. So it came with the string, a straw, and the letters. So let's blow it up. It got a little opening. You put the straw right there. All right, so these are the letters. Boom. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow up the other balloons, cause yeah, I don't even know what order I should be doing it in. Okay. Okay, these are just some balloons from from Walmart. It was $1 for the red pack, $1 for the blue pack. Okay, balloons. We want to have different sizes, so I'm gonna just stretch them out and blow them.
channel. Thank you for watching and enjoying and tuning in. Peace out.
Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt.